Welcome back, come on in. It's a fusion feast we begin. Chinese beef so tender and fine, mixed with flavors that intertwine. In my bowl, watch it unfold. Korean kimchi, oh so bold. Japanese egg, soft and light. All on rice, one aside.
In this video, I'll be focusing on making incredibly tender Chinese-style beef. If you're interested in making kimchi or Japanese soft-boiled eggs, be sure to check out my previous videos for detailed recipes. At the end of the video, we'll bring everything together: the tender beef, spicy kimchi, soft-boiled egg, and fluffy rice to create a mouth-watering beef bowl. My method doesn't require any expensive beef cuts. To prove this, I've bought some very inexpensive beef, and the result is going to be stunning. Watch as I transform this budget-friendly cut into unbelievably tender and delicious beef. I got 400 grams of beef here. It's important to cut the beef perpendicular to the grain of the muscle fibers. This ensures that the muscle fibers are cut through, resulting in the most tender texture. Following this technique will make a significant difference in achieving that perfect melt-in-your-mouth beef. Be sure to trim off any sinew or connective tissue from the beef. To make the beef extremely tender, the trick is to marinate it in a special sauce. Ginger juice is particularly effective because it contains natural enzymes called proteases. These enzymes break down the proteins in the meat, which helps to soften the muscle fibers and make the beef more tender. It's important to use the right amount of ginger juice and mix it with the correct amount of water. The general rule of thumb is to use ginger juice that weighs about 1% of the weight of your beef. Then, mix the ginger juice with 20 times its weight in water. This ensures that the ginger enzymes are evenly distributed, effectively tenderizing the beef while adding a balanced flavor. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce to the beef. Mix everything well. Add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix well. The cornstarch will help to create a velvety texture on the beef, locking in the juices and ensuring each piece is tender and flavorful. Lastly, add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and mix everything once more. The oil will help to coat the beef, keeping it moist and enhancing the overall tenderness when cooked. Set the beef aside and let it marinate at room temperature for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, let's work on the sauce for the beef. We need some garlic and cilantro. Chop them finely and place the garlic on a plate. Then add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of Sriracha, and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Mix everything well to combine. When the marinating process is ready, let's take a pan and add some water and heat the water until it starts to simmer. Turn the stove to a lower setting and carefully place the beef into the water, piece by piece. Adjust the stove setting to keep the water at a gentle simmer and cook the beef for 1 minute after all the pieces are in the water. This method ensures that our beef stays tender and juicy. Take the beef out of the water and mix it with the sauce we previously made. Add some fresh cilantro and a sprinkle of sesame seeds, and our very tender Chinese-style beef is done. You can eat it right away if you wish to. But don't forget, today we are making a beef bowl. Let's place our tender Chinese-style beef on a bowl of rice. Add some freshly made kimchi and top it off with a perfectly cooked Japanese soft-boiled egg. For the recipes on how to make kimchi and Japanese soft-boiled eggs, please check out my previous video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another cooking video.